The future of robotics won't be decided by the smartest individual robot. It'll actually be decided by the system coordinating an entire team.
Because a single robot, no matter how advanced, just isn't enough anymore. We're officially moving past the solo machine and stepping right into the era of the orchestration layer.
So why isn't one enough? Well, a modern smart factory requires diverse, specialized machines working together seamlessly. You've got autonomous mobile robots moving materials, robotic arms assembling parts, and drones inspecting inventory all at once. Whether it's a bustling warehouse or a busy hospital, you really need a highly coordinated ecosystem.
Let's look at the 5 core functions of this robot orchestration. First step, the system has to truly understand the mission. When you type a natural language command, it translates that text to figure out the overarching goal, the deadlines, the work area, and any constraints. Second, it has to decompose the task. A massive mission is basically useless to a single machine, so the software breaks it down into actionable subtasks like navigating to a shelf, grabbing a specific box, and taking it to a loading bay. Third, it assigns the absolute right robot. Using a constant stream of real-time data, the system evaluates individual capabilities, battery levels, active workloads, and proximity to ensure maximum efficiency. Fourth, it coordinates execution in real time. Dynamic adjustments are absolutely crucial here. The system constantly manages traffic, preventing congestion when robots need to share elevators, narrow corridors, or human workspaces. And fifth, it handles exceptions and learns from them. When paths get blocked or networks drop, the system rapidly reassigns work, revises traffic plans, and records logs so the fleet operates smarter next time. Now, let's shift gears and look at the control architecture. The really crucial point here is the strict separation between operational layers. Human intent sits right at the top. That language flows down through a task planner and fleet manager before it ever reaches the physical controllers. Every single step is gated by strict verification. This perfectly illustrates what a large language model can and cannot do. An LLM is incredible at understanding intent and planning, but it should never, ever directly drive a robot's motors or bypass deterministic safety logic. Which brings us to the verification layer, because safety is simply not optional. Look, a wrong instruction sent to one robot is a localized problem, but an AI hallucination distributed across an entire fleet, that can be catastrophic. That's exactly why hard-coded safety protocols like geofencing, emergency stops, and human overrides must always verify work beneath the AI layer. So, where is the business value in all this? Let's talk about the new moat. As physical robot hardware becomes a highly available commodity, the true value shifts. The new competitive advantage lies entirely in coordination software, system integration, and operating data. Platforms like eXGateAI are actively helping enterprises navigate this exact shift. Ultimately, the winner in industrial automation will be the company that safely commands, coordinates, and improves the entire robotic workforce. The next robot breakthrough is not one robot. It is a team.